Electric Pro X is the world's first portable electric water filter that filters water at the push of a button. Proven protection against any unwanted objects in your drinking water, it can be powered using any USB source such as a wall plug, a portable power bank, or with two AA batteries. The Pro X uses the same filters and can be interchanged with our #1 selling Survivor Filter Pro Pump. The first stage of filtration is the 0.1 micron pre-filter, which helps remove large particles, protozoa, and more. This part is placed directly in contact with the freshwater source and can be easily cleaned and backwashed up to 100,000 liters. Next is the carbon filter, which is designed to help improve the taste and odor of your water. The carbon filter also reduces heavy metals, chemicals, and pollutants and can be easily reused and replaced up to 2,000 liters. Finally, the third stage, water passes through the 0.01 micron internal ultrafilter. Independent tests have shown that the internal ultrafilter can also filter out 99.999% of tested virus, bacteria, and staph. The internal ultrafilter can also be cleaned and backwashed up to 100,000 liters. There are 3 ways to power on the Survivor Filter Pro X. The first is with 2 AA batteries, which can power the filter for up to 6 hours, equivalent to 95 gallons of water. Simply slide open the battery cover, insert the batteries, and close the cover. Make sure the cover is closed properly to ensure a water-resistant seal. The second way to power the Pro X is with an external battery or solar pack. Gently pull open the USB cover and connect the micro USB cable to the Pro X. The other end is connected to your power source. The third way to power your Pro X is by connecting it to any electrical outlet. The USB cube and cable are included with your electric Pro X. Connect the micro USB cable to the Pro X and plug in the other end to the wall. Once connected to a power source, you will need to prime the internal system with water before first use. If your Pro X has been in storage for more than 2 weeks, please also follow these steps to re-prime your system. Simply unscrew and remove the ultrafilter and carbon filter assembly. Then you can fill the chamber with clean water. You can then reinsert the ultrafilter and carbon filter assembly. You are now ready to use your Survivor Filter Pro X.
This is the Dime. It's a clever mini multi-tool you can attach to a keychain. It contains 10 tools. In addition to butterfly opening stainless steel spring-loaded needle nose pliers, wire cutters, a fine edge blade, spring-loaded scissors, flat driver, tweezers, lanyard ring, and a fine and coarse file. The Dime includes the retail package opener, a blade that safely cuts and scores plastic packaging. The Dime's bottle opener is exposed even when the tool is closed. Store this cool little multi-tool in a pocket, a purse, or keep it on a key ring. This is the Dime.
This is the Tri-Tip from Gerber. As a multi-tool company, anything we build needs to have more than one use. That's what led us to make a mini cleaver that goes beyond the kitchen. The Tri-Tip blade has 2 functions, a beveled leading edge for scraping and a full fine edge for cutting. The aluminum handle is textured for added grip and less slip while working. It's available with 2 handle colors and 2 blade finishes. The multi-mount sheath can be configured for scout carry or tip down. From meal prep to DIY, the Tri-Tip will help you tackle any challenge that comes your way.
Mountain Series medical kits provide you with the highest quality first aid supplies and medical information based on the most current guidelines in wilderness emergency and travel medicine. The Hiker is built for weekend warriors, a must-have companion when you and a friend hit the trail for a day or two. Every kit features a unique external map listing all its contents. Inside the kit are semi-transparent pockets that are organized and labeled by injury, so you know exactly where to reach. The wound care pocket features EMT shears, a variety of wraps and bandages to immobilize and support fractures, and pre-cut moleskins to treat hot spots and blisters. Adventure Medical Kit's exclusive manual, a condensed guide to wilderness medicine, is a must-have resource, packed with valuable information on diagnosing and treating the most common and serious injuries affecting backpackers and hikers. It's like having a doctor in your bag. Including medications to treat itches, pain and fever, and inflammation. Cuts and scrapes items include our easy access bandages, butterfly closer bandages, antiseptic wipes, and antibiotic ointment. Stop bleeding fast with a trauma pad and nitrile gloves.
This is the Remix. It has an open frame design and circular anodized aluminum handle that makes it highly functional and extremely lightweight. The unique design delivers a safe and solid grip while in use. When closed, the Remix can be carried in a pocket with a clip or attached to a pack with a carabiner. The dual thumb studs make it easy to open with one hand, and the liner lock keeps it securely open when in use. A favorite with climbers and backpackers around the globe, this is the Remix.
Hey, this is Carson from Gerber, and this is the ExoMod series. Built for the expeditionary hunter, it's compact, stackable, and lightweight. It consists of the ExoMod caper, the ExoMod drop point, and the ExoMod saw. Assemble the kit that fits your pursuit, using one independently or nesting multiple together. Full tank construction and skeletonized handles are shared features across the set, delivering added strength and durability while working through game. Each has an ergonomic grip and control choil to keep the knife securely in hand, even in messy and dark conditions. The series answers the different needs of field processing. A caper for fine work and skinning, a drop point for general use, and a saw for optimal cutting with minimal effort. Included with each is a low-profile, innovative sheath that not only functions independently, but also snaps together for the option to carry as a kit. The ExoMod series is available in two colors, blaze orange or discreet black. Like all Gerber products, the ExoMods are backed by the Gerber guarantee.
This is the Gator Machete. It has an 18-inch long high-carbon steel blade that works to clear anything in your path. The blade's precision grind helps you cut with ease, maximizing your efficiency. The spine of the blade is a heavy-duty saw for handling larger tasks. Gerber's Gator grip and the lanyard for your wrist will keep the machete secure at all times. A tough sheath keeps the blade protected when not in use. A must-have tool when you're in the wilderness or your own backyard. This is the Gator Machete.